Let's look at Tesla, which has made Elon Musk worth $500 billion. So that's what the chart of Tesla looks like. Each one of those bars is weekly. And just to put some context on it, since March 2020 to now, Tesla has delivered a 1,579% return. Okay, how do we know that? Well, the numbers here. That's pretty impressive. The problem with investing in Tesla is the amount of money you would put in is limited by the volatility. Now, if you think Tesla's got, say, a support level around here, okay, then you may well say, well, wait a minute, Alpesh, this could easily drop, obviously not in a day, it could easily drop another 36 odd percent. Let's say that's your downside in the near term. Let's say that there is something of some kind of a price channel whereby even were it to drop down there, it might from today's level, having done that, then in a year continue. Well, you're still looking in a year at a 23% return, even if it dropped 36 first. And you might say that's not worth it. That trade-off between, excuse me, something outside, that trade-off between the downside and the upside, you've got to really be able to handle the volatility on this. What do I think is most likely? Well, like many people have said, when the president's your best friend, what's probably most likely is you're going to get that upside more likely overall, but you will have to endure that downside along the way. That's for sure. Okay, if you want to learn more about investing, have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links. That you'll find helpful. alpeshpatel.com/links, and like and follow for more.